Hi, Sean.
You didn't take the video?
Hi, Sean.
Hi. Take the video. I want to see myself on the big screen. I guess not, so... Can I see it? I want to take a video in Nick.
No.
He's beautiful. Nick, say hi to the pretty camera. He's being antisocial.
Oh,
you made me one.
I can't even spell antisocial.
A-N-T-I.
S-O-C-H-E-L.
H? There's no H in social.
I don't know. I am not a good speller.
S-O-C-I-A-L.
Maybe she's a master.
Social. It's an 88.
Yes.
The calendar's right there. Hi, calendar.
Did you just say hi to the calendar?
Yeah.
Nick's not all there sometimes. The other day, he woke me up in the middle of the night and said, "Stop the watermelons from dancing on my ceiling."
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No joke.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
I swear on Daryl Earnhardt Jr. himself.
Isn't he dead?
Daryl Earnhardt Sr. is dead.
Do you swear on your life?
My life? No. I don't swear on my life. I don't swear on anybody's life.
If you had a girlfriend, would you swear on her life?
Yeah.
That's so mean.
I mean, I try to be as nice as I can. Why are you videotaping me?
Hmm?
Why are you videotaping me?
I'm not videotaping, I'm taking pictures.
No, you're not. Let me see that.
No.
So, Jennifer.
So, Sean.
How was your day today?
Good.
Great. Fantastic.
How's your day going?
I fell down in Dana Trail. Sliced my arm up. Because Nick was like, "Oh, let's go to Dana Woods. We're not going to run on the trail."
Yeah, you become a man after you leave that trail.
I still don't have any pubic hair. I can't believe I just said that out loud as well.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you having an orgasm? Take it easy, seriously. I mean, it's not that interesting.
I have to show this to Jocelyn.
You took the video, didn't you?
No.
I'm sure you didn't.
I'm taking pictures.
Where's Jocelyn? Isn't she spending time with Courtney today? Courtney's my home dog, like, you know, straight up ghetto. We got tattoos of each other on our chests. Yeah. Courtney, we've been through a lot, man.
Lincoln Park.
Do you know who Courtney is?
I've seen her. Me and her is tonight. Pretty crappy day out.
Say bye.
Bye.